All right, back to our morning work. So this is Fraction Fun Friday. They started us off on here with a recipe on how to make Irish soda bread. Okay, 4 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 3/4 cups of buttermilk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, and 1 cup of dried currants, which is kind of like a dried, like a raisin or a craisin, but it's actual currants, but they're kind of like a raisin. All right, so using the recipe for the Irish soda bread, we have to answer the next 2 questions. So our first box, Aiden has 2 cups of buttermilk. Okay. He wants to make a loaf of Irish soda bread. How much buttermilk will he have left? Okay, so he only wants to make 1 loaf, so we only need to use what buttermilk they say they need for the recipe. So if he's got 2 cups of buttermilk, okay, let's use our number bond, and we break that down into 2 fractions, okay. If you look at the recipe, they broke their buttermilk down into fourths. Okay. So 2 cups would be 4 fourths and 4 fourths, right? Because this is 1 whole and that's 2 wholes. So if we take our 2 fractions, that would be 8 fourths. Because remember, you add together the numerators and put it over the original denominator. So far, if we take that 2 cups of buttermilk he has 8 fourths of a cup of buttermilk. Now, to make the actual soda bread, he only needs, and let me take this off so we can do our number bond for that. He needs 1 3/4 cups of buttermilk. So let's turn that into an improper fraction. We know that 1 whole would be 4 fourths, and then there's 3 fourths. And if we add that together, add your numerators, put it over the original denominator. So he has 8 fourths. He only needs to use 7 fourths. And if we want to figure out how much buttermilk he'll have left, left being the math magic word, left means we are going to subtract. So if we take the 8 fourths he had, we use 7 fourths. The only thing he has left is 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Okay? So your answer for that one should be 1/4 cup is left over. Now, Aiden has 4 teaspoons of salt. He wants to double the recipe. Will he have enough salt? So for 1 recipe of salt, he needs 1.5 teaspoons. Okay. So if he doubles that recipe, he's going to need another 1.5 teaspoons, right? So if we take our whole numbers, 1 plus 1, that's at least 2. Okay. And now take our fraction parts. 1/2 plus 1/2 gives us 2/2. And we should know this, if we have the same numerator and the same denominator, that equals 1 whole. So add that up here to the 2 that we need, and altogether he would need 3 teaspoons. If he's got 4 teaspoons, he's going to have enough. He's going to be able to make a double batch of soda bread and still have 1 teaspoon left over. All right, so I am in my last minute before this video is going to shut off. I just have to say, I know it's been a crazy week. I know that it's been a tough transition for many of us to get ourselves set up digitally and to keep up with assignments and to do everything that we had to do. I'm learning how to do a lot online, but you guys have been amazing. Your parents have been amazing. We will get through this. Okay, I got a pretty good feeling. We just about have everybody set up. Just about everybody is in the same place. Monday will be the last day that you're working in your packet. And then we're going to figure out what's going to happen from Tuesday on. The district is still working on all that. So I will keep you posted. I hope you have a great weekend, and I love you guys. Bye.